How can I restore my WhatsApp messages after deleting them?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a topic that has perplexed many: how to restore your deleted WhatsApp messages. If you've accidentally deleted some important messages, don't worry, we're here to help.
What are the prerequisites?
Before we start, it's crucial to understand a couple of things. 1. WhatsApp backs up your messages. By default, WhatsApp automatically creates a backup of your messages every day at 2 a.m. This backup is stored in your device's internal memory or external SD card, or on your Google Drive, if you're using Android, or iCloud, if you're using iOS. 2. You must have a backup. To restore your messages, there must be a backup available from before the messages were deleted.
How to restore WhatsApp messages on Android?
If you're an Android user, follow these steps. 1. Uninstall WhatsApp from your device. 2. Reinstall WhatsApp from Google Play Store. 3. Verify your phone number during the setup. 4. Tap on Restore when prompted to restore your message history from the Google Drive or local backup. After the restoration process is complete, tap on Next, and your chats will be displayed once initialization is complete.
How to restore WhatsApp messages on iOS?
For iOS users, these steps should guide you. 1. Uninstall WhatsApp from your device. 2. Reinstall WhatsApp from App Store. 3. Verify your phone number during the setup. 4. Tap on Restore Chat History when prompted to restore your messages from the iCloud backup. Once the restore process is complete, tap on Next, and your chats will be displayed once initialization is complete.
What if I don't have a backup?
Unfortunately, if you haven't set up automatic backups or manually created a backup before the messages were deleted, it might not be possible to recover those messages. Hence, it's always a good practice to enable automatic backups in your WhatsApp settings. That's it. You've just learned how to restore your deleted WhatsApp messages on both Android and iOS devices. We hope this guide has been helpful and cleared up any confusion. Remember, regular backups can be a lifesaver. So, make sure you have your backup settings configured appropriately. Happy messaging!